Everyone thinks the best-selling vocal processor is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, a sinking rooftop cargo carrier bag. The sinking rooftop cargo carrier bag priced at $67.99. The heavy-duty 840D PVC material caught my attention right away. If you want a bag that can handle rough weather while keeping your gear dry, this is worth a serious look. This bag boasts an impressive 21 cubic feet of space, perfect for your camping gear or family vacations. The reinforced seams and waterproof zippers mean that even in heavy rain, your belongings lay safe and dry. Plus, it comes with an anti-slip mat and 8 adjustable straps for easy installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're planning a road trip or outdoor adventure, you need a carrier that won't let you down. And this one has 1,000 plus units sold in the past month, indicating it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite straightforward, and the security it provides is worth that minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, large capacity carrier for your Subaru Outback. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight, as it's designed for heavy duty use. Now, if the price of this cargo bag bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious shoppers.
Product number 2, Mikupa Collapsible Trunk Organizer. The Mikupa Collapsible Trunk Organizer, priced at $25.99. The minimalist design and sturdy Oxford polyester fabric really stood out to me. If you want to keep your trunk organized and clutter-free, this is worth a serious look. This organizer measures 22.8 inches L by 15.7 inches wide by 11 inches H when unfolded, giving you 65 liters of storage space. It features multiple pockets and a lid to secure items in place, perfect for groceries or everyday essentials. Here's why this matters for you. If you hate digging through a messy trunk every time you need something, this organizer can help keep everything in its place. And with over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among shoppers. However, some users mentioned that the organizer can slide around a bit while driving. Here's the thing. Using the adjustable straps provided really helps secure it, making it less of a hassle. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and efficient solution to keep your trunk organized. Skip this one if you need a larger or more heavy-duty option. Alright, that was a solid choice, but the next product might actually surprise you with its versatility.
Product number 3, SPO Suit Trunk Organizer. The SPO Suit Trunk Organizer. The compact design with 11 pockets immediately caught my eye. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to organize your trunk, this is worth a serious look. The dimensions of this trunk organizer are 23.6L by 14.6W by 12.2H, and it has a total capacity of 70 liters. It features a Velcro base that helps keep it in place, so your groceries won't be rolling around. Here's why this matters for you. If you frequently transport items like groceries or sports gear, this organizer can help prevent spills and messes, making it a practical solution with a solid sales record. However, a few users reported that it can be a bit flimsy when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, as long as you don't overload it, it holds up pretty well, and for the price, it's a great deal. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and easily storable organizer. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty, more permanent solution. Now, if you're still looking for something with a bit more capacity, the next product could be just what you need.
Product number 4, a sinking rooftop cargo carrier bag. Second option. Another sinking option, the rooftop cargo carrier bag, available for $59.99. What caught my attention here is the 100% waterproof and tear-proof material. If you want peace of mind while driving in bad weather, this is worth a serious look. This bag, measuring 52 inches by 40 inches by 18 inches, also offers 21 cubic feet of capacity. It comes with a non-slip rubber mat and a combination lock for extra security, which is essential if you're parked overnight. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who travels often and needs a reliable cargo solution, this is a strong contender, given its high durability and security features with 900 plus units sold recently. Some customers noted that it can be a bit bulky when not in use. However, I'll be real with you, it folds down for storage, so it's not a major drawback if you have enough space. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport larger items and want something secure. Skip this one if you need an ultra-compact solution for occasional use. Now, if you want an organizer that doubles as a cooler, the next product is going to catch your eye.
Product number 5, Hey Trip Large Trunk Organizer. We have the Hay Trip Large Trunk Organizer, priced at $59.99. I was impressed by its built-in leak-proof cooler bag feature. If you love road trips with snacks, this is worth a serious look. With a massive 105-liter capacity and durable 600D Oxford polyester, this organizer is built to last. It also includes multiple compartments and side pockets, making it perfect for separating groceries from gear. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to keep your food cool and your trunk tidy, this organizer can handle both. And it's been bought over 600 times recently, showing it's popular among buyers. Some users did mention that it's a bit on the pricier side for a trunk organizer. Here's the thing though, considering the added features and durability, it's a solid investment if you often travel or picnic. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport food and want a well-organized truck. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and basic. Now that we've gone through the top options, let's wrap this up.
So, there you have it. We've covered the ace-sinking rooftop cargo carrier bag for durability, the Mikupa collapsible trunk organizer for affordability, the SPO Suite trunk organizer for compactness, another ace-sinking option for versatility, and the Hay Trip large trunk organizer for those who want a dual-purpose solution. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs the best.